Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to submit a bill for approval in Xero. This is an essential process. If you're working in a team environment where financial transactions need to be reviewed before they're finalized, ensuring proper oversight and accuracy in your bookkeeping. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Open your browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields, then click the login button. This will take you directly to your Xero dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools and features. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top navigation menu and locate the Purchases option. Click on Purchases, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Bills. This section is where you'll manage all incoming bills and invoices from your suppliers, making it easy to track what needs to be paid and when. Now, to create a new bill, click the New Bill button. This will open a blank bill form where you'll input all the necessary details. First up, you need to enter the supplier information in the From field. If you're working with an existing supplier, simply start typing their name and select them from the list that appears. If this is a new supplier, click Add Supplier and fill in their contact details to add them to your system. Next, fill in the bill date, which is typically the date shown on the supplier's invoice. Then enter the due date, which tells Xero when the payment is expected. You'll also want to add a reference number if your supplier provided one. This helps with tracking and matching bills to purchase orders or statements later on. Now it's time to add the line items for your bill. Enter a description for each item or service you're being billed for. Then select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. This ensures the expense is categorized correctly in your financial reports. Enter the quantity and unit price for each line item, and if applicable, select the correct tax rate. Xero will automatically calculate the totals as you go. Before moving forward, take a moment to verify the total amount at the bottom of the bill. Make sure everything adds up correctly and matches the original invoice from your supplier. If you have supporting documents like receipts or invoices, click Add Files to attach them directly to this bill. This keeps all your documentation organized in one place. Here's where the approval process comes in. Instead of simply saving the bill, click the drop-down arrow next to the Save button at the bottom of the screen. From the options that appear, select Save and Submit for approval. This action sends the bill to your designated approver, ensuring it goes through the proper review channels before being processed for payment. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a bill for approval in Xero, creating a clear audit trail and maintaining proper financial controls within your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.